In this video, we will be talking about investing in stocks, its advantages, and requirement. Welcome to our video on investing in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to understand the advantages and requirements before diving in. One of the main advantages of investing in stocks is the potential for high returns. Historically, stocks have provided higher returns than other investments such as bonds or savings accounts. In addition, stocks offer the potential for dividends, which can provide a steady stream of income. Another advantage of investing in stocks is that they can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. By investing in a variety of stocks from different industries and companies, you can spread out your risk and reduce the chance of losing all of your money if one stock performs poorly. However, it's important to understand that investing in stocks also comes with risks. The value of stocks can be affected by a wide variety of factors, including economic conditions, company performance, and even the actions of other investors. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing in any stock. To invest in stocks, you will typically need to open a brokerage account. These accounts can be opened with a variety of online brokers, and they allow you to buy and sell stocks through the internet. You will also need to have some money to invest, as most online brokers have a minimum deposit requirement. Once you have opened a brokerage account, you can start researching and buying stocks. It's important to do your due diligence and research the companies you are considering investing in. Look at the financial statements, analyst reports, and other information to get a better understanding of the company's performance and future prospects. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to understand the advantages and requirements before diving in. Remember, investing in stocks comes with risks, but with proper research and due diligence, you can make informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on investing and personal finance.